All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, the Hudson is no longer on the lift. We got it sitting on all four wheels. I'm gonna let y'all check it out. Been working pretty hard, trying to make it a roller. Hope everybody comes out to the Down on the Farm car show, September the 10th, and y'all can check it out in person. Today's update on the Down on the Farm car show are the door prizes. Anybody who enters a vehicle, a car, truck, motorcycle, or tractor will be entered to win any of these prizes. Randomly will be drawn all during the day. So if you enter a vehicle, you may win a Country Boys Hot Rods t-shirt, or you may win a Fent t-shirt, or a Fent hoodie. Maybe some tools, ratchet straps, Gojo. Everything you see here will be handed out randomly to people who've entered vehicles. So y'all come out, support us, and support the fire department. Maybe you'll get to take a little something home too. All right, everybody, I just finished showing y'all all the door prizes. Also, the day of the show, we're gonna be having a raffle. There'll be several items raffled off that day, like the 36-inch Blackstone grill, as a Cobalt cordless chainsaw, a couple Craftsman tool sets, some imitator, which is used like Roundup. There's 4 gallons of that. As a car care bucket with all your Turtle Wax car care products, floor jack, a Yeti Tundra 45 cooler. Mont's also making 3 barn quilts. They aren't quite finished yet, but they should be pretty cool. The raffle tickets, the prices are $5 for one, and then the more you buy, the cheaper the tickets are. So y'all come out, buy some raffle tickets the day of the show, you might win something. Also, we're going to be selling them ahead of time from today until the show. Anybody that wants a raffle ticket or some raffle tickets, feel free to contact Frank Harris, Thad Harris, Ben Harris, Willie Rose, Cody Pleasant, or Rose Pate, and we'll be glad to sell y'all some raffle tickets. Prizes will be raffled the day of the show, and anybody who wins is responsible for picking up your item. Doesn't have to be at the show, you don't have to be present to win, but you are responsible for picking up your item if you do win. Also, we're going to have a silent auction for this stoplight that day. Stoplight has been donated. It's wired so the lights rotate every couple seconds. It goes from red to yellow to green. It's been pinstriped. Pretty sweet. Hope you guys come out, support us, support the fire department. Maybe you'll win a prize. Thank y'all.